Welcome back, all my free thinkers, to another episode of the Grow Rich, Grow Happy Crypto Show. When it comes to the stock market, I'm going to start there because I believe it'll help you understand a little bit more why HECTO is an opportunity. Of course, this is not financial advice. It's just the way my wacky thinking works. So when it comes to stocks, let's talk about new stocks. Let's talk about SpaceX. And bear with me, I'm going somewhere with this. When it came to SpaceX, everyone knew when it was going to go public. We knew when it was going to drop. So naturally, majority of retail, they sat around like, yeah, I'm about to get in on something everybody else is sleeping on. And when you think of it that way, it doesn't really make sense because, for one, if you pay attention to the stock market or anything, everyone has the same opportunity and they have the same point of reference, meaning they all know when it's going to drop. They know the date and time that is going to come out. So everybody got their money. They've been saving their money and they're waiting to deploy at the same time. But smart investors know that's really the wrong time to get in because you're fighting with everyone else and that price is just steady increasing. The real money is the people who got in early. And I like using SpaceX because to me, it makes better sense because you know that there were people, Elon Musk, that is SpaceX, the cafeteria folks, they had an early opportunity to get in long before us retail. And the stories that came out was they're millionaires now, many of them, because they sold. A lot of them sold and they made their millions and they're living happily ever after. But there's another group that's not talked about. Big money, big time investors, those with net worths up in the 6 and 7 zeros and figures, right? They also had that same opportunity because of their net worth. What if we're at a point now where a lot of that is about to change? Meaning that many of us retail are going to have those same opportunities, so to speak. We're talking about pre-IPOs. We're talking about HECTO finance, but we're talking about something even bigger than that. We're talking about tokenization and why tokenization alone is not enough, because we've surpassed the point of how do these major corporations and enterprise bring their financial stuff like bonds and their stocks. How do we put that on blockchain? Years this has been talked about, but we've moved past that now. And now we're at the point, okay, now you're online. And this was my question even way back. Okay, so I get that you're trying to move everything on blockchain, but then what? What's going to happen after that? Well, I'll tell you what's going to happen. Now that when you get these tokenized stocks on chain, what are you going to do with them? How are we going to be able to trade stocks and all of this on chain 24/7? Because you know it's coming, right? They've talked about it. CFTC have talked about it. We're going to be able to trade stocks 24/7, but you can only do that if it can be executed. That's what we're talking about with HECTO Finance. And that is why I believe HECTO Finance is so far up under the radar that many people don't even know how to get it. Unless you're probably over on X and you stay in these crypto streets, you don't know how to do it. You don't know how to pick up this asset. But if you've been paying attention to the Grow Rich, Grow Happy Crypto Show, we've shown you many, many months ago that you can buy it now. You could have been bought it, but the only place you can get it, you can't get it on a Coinbase, Uphold, Kraken. You can't get it in any of those places yet. But you can get it on Canton Loop Wallet, OneSwap, and Cantex. We hold it over on Cantex. And we've shown you many moons ago how to do that. But now I want you to understand why all of this makes sense and how Canton and their rails, Zenith and their execution, and then HECTO with their application all fit together to create Voltron. Yeah, Voltron. So we're going to be talking about that, guys. So as always, smash that like button, hit that hype. Make sure you hype this video, guys, because this is early. I believe this is so early, it's going to make you feel like you're someone with like 6 or 7 zeros behind your net worth and you're getting in on like a pre-IPO, even though it's not a pre-IPO. They give you access to it. You know what I mean? So let's do this, guys. Without further ado, I want to jump in here because there's so much to talk about with this, but I don't want it to be long. And first thing I want to do, I want to jump over here and talk to you about all of the updates that's going on with HECTO. I'm over here on X. Make sure you follow us over on X, me and my super researcher, RAZO, journalist. His information and link tree is down below. So is mine. And guys, if you want to learn even more about projects like this in detail, but projects that we don't even discuss here, you want to make sure you go over and you get you membership to what I call it, our secret group of free thinkers called The Process. Episode 1 is out. Shout out to everyone who have signed up and you've taken the plunge. Make sure you check it out, guys. All the details are down below. So what I want to do, I want to talk about this. So HECTO put this out today, guys, and they said HECTO buybacks coming soon. They're developing. It's all here, but we know that it's not just the buybacks. We're looking for some burns as well, but this is a new project. Therefore, I'm patient. I'm patient when it comes to new projects. So they are showing their flywheel. It's all starting, guys. But if you look here, this is a little bit of what I was talking about. On August 21st, they made another post. They said another 100 billion plus private market giant is about to go public in 2026. Look here. Anthropic AI are reportedly expected to file for an IPO by the end of August and might just surpass SpaceX. I believe SpaceX had like $1 trillion evaluation. They're going to become the largest IPO ever. And what did I tell you guys? Much of retail, just by the way, we talk about stocks and all of that also in the process, just $10 a month, not week, $10 a month. It's not going to be that way forever. Now, you know, a bunch of retailers going to run in and they got their money. They stacking their money. They say, hey, we about to grab something nobody else going to grab. And as soon as it's released, they're going to run in and they're going to buy it. I didn't touch SpaceX when it came out, guys. I waited until it tanked down. I'm not calling it tanking. I waited for it to do what most of these IPOs do anyway, all of them. It came down and then I started buying. I started buying at a very, very low price. And now I'm in the green. These are the things we also teach you in the process. So it says exposure to private markets is rapidly becoming more important. Now, we've been telling you guys that these prediction markets are off the chain. Make sure you catch last episode that I just did on the Canton Network, because what I did talk about it toward the end in it was Lighter. And how Lighter has really just ignited and is taking off and how we prepared you for that. Well, HECTO fits a little bit in that chain as well. Not the prediction market, so to speak, but the pre-IPO market. You don't hear a lot about stuff like that. And I've broken this down in detail as well about HECTO and their pre-IPO. Check out that episode as well. But you're going to have access to things like Anthropic, but not in the sense of you're going to be able to buy a share. It's almost like a prediction market, pretty much the same thing, but it's a prediction market that's focused mainly on pre-IPOs. So I believe that their niche, HECTO, is one that avoid that they're going to have a lock on, mainly because, you know, they're in the Canton Network. And if you watch last episode, you see what Canton Network is doing. So when you look at HECTO, and by the way, from what I understand, they've already took the plunge and locked up roughly 30 or 35 million Canton coins, which shows their longevity and dedication to this project, all of which I care about as an investor. I hold them. So I want to see them continuing to do well. That's what it's about. Then you look here on August 20th, they said phase 1 of HECTO predictions V2 begins soon. Get your first glimpse tomorrow. Now, I'm not going to go into that in this episode because I really want to do a once over for a lot of you who've been asking about it. But I am going to do this too because I want you guys to see something and understand something, because a lot of people have misinformation out there. And it's this. People think that you can buy HECTO now on platforms like Coinbase. While there is a HECTO, I believe it's still over there, and it has the same genetic makeup. It has their same token picture and all that. It is not HECTO. If it's not on the Canton wallet, one of the wallets we've discussed, then you're buying something that's probably going to rug pull you. No, not probably. It is going to rug pull you. So I don't want that to happen to you guys. This is what you should be seeing because they are not yet on a major exchange. But think about this. And I said this before. In the beginning of this video, I told you that the real winners when it came to SpaceX was the cafeteria workers. It was the people with 6 and 7 figure net worths because they was able to get in early. I kind of feel like that's what we have here because I'm in early. A lot of people who know how to pick up this asset, we're in early. And then when it hits these major exchanges, that's when everyone else, all of the rest of retail, are going to feel like they're getting in early when they're not really in early. So figure a way to get your Cantex wallet. I've looked back at all of the videos we've done and we've shown you in detail. So it's not that hard, guys. Go over on to my X account and look up someone by the name of Yesa Blessa. On his page, he has a link where everybody can get any wallet that they want. I'm here to help you guys do that. So let's continue because I do want to jump over here. Again, I didn't want this video to be long. I'm long-winded, but I didn't want it to be long. I do want to jump over here. Shout out to RAZO for putting together a great article on this. It's called Tokenization is Entering Its Execution Phase. And this is all about HECTO. 4-minute read, guys. He construct them like this so you can get in and get that information. It's down below. All you need is a free Medium account. You can check it out and read it. And this is something you put in your tool belt so you can become dangerous with the knowledge that you hold. And you have to listen to all the bull that's out there and people not knowing what they talk about. Do your research and then you can invest and hold these real assets confidently. Pay attention to tokenomics. So, and he tells you here are some of the updates regarding HECTO as we head towards Q4, which is a major milestone and important era when it comes to the Canton network, everything that's on it. You see all these things coming, guys. They are building a super team, the Canton network. And now HECTO is not just a project that's building on their network. They are aiding in the way Canton do business. So they have a higher role now, which RAZO talks about in this article as well. But he says, right here, HECTO wrote an X article on August 19th. You can see that by following them on X. They're breaking down how tokenization has reached a point where creating a digital version of a stock, bond, fund, or private asset is no longer the hardest part. It's not. It's old news. Now is how you're going to execute. So I'm going to move down here. And what he talks about here is Canton. While Canton is a network with so many benefits, they still had one problem. They have Domo. A lot of different developers don't really have any experience in working with that. So when you compare it to something like a Solana or something like Ethereum, it makes it kind of difficult for them to get in, get their ground and just start running. That's where Zenith comes in. And this is why I told you the whole Canton Rails, and you got Zenith execution, and then you got HECTO applications, how they all come together and they form Voltron. Now, what makes it even more cool is that Zenith enables a lot of these transactions and pretty much all of this stuff to run through the Canton network and from Ethereum, but all of it's going to run through the Canton network, and it's going to mean more burns for the coin. And being that now they're proposing on the Canton network that everything just burns regardless of the global synchronizer. you're looking at price appreciation, guys. And that's not financial advice. That's just research. So says here, Zenith is not presented as a bridge or a separate layer. One, transactions route through Canton. This is what I just said. Settle there and consume global synchronizer traffic and burn Canton under Canton's fee model. Remember, the reason they're doing all of this is so that us, the token holders, can get price appreciations like holding the stock. This is why I can't wait for Clarity, guys. This Clarity Act to go through. Smash the like down below if you can't wait for September 15th when they do their vote. But here it is here. HECTO sits above that infrastructure. Its upcoming predictions V2 product targets pre-IPO companies by creating public signals around outcomes such as IPO timing and validation milestone. HECTO later plans structured index exposure and qualified vault access. So as you've seen with the prediction markets, you've seen Lit, you've seen Hyperliquid, you see these guys are off the chain. This is why I hold on to HECTO, because I understand what they're building. So that's like a third piece to all of this. And they have the lock on the pre-IPOs. Do you see how all of these pieces are coming together and how you can spot these crypto gems and then get in before anybody else? I'm telling you guys, HECTO, not financial advice. So this talks a little bit more and it goes deeper into it, but I'm not going to read this in the interest of time. I want you guys to go in, do your research on this, read this article. It is down below. And I want you to come away with this. And I want you to think about something when it comes to just investing as a whole. The point of getting in to investments is to make money, but just getting in at any old price, unless you have a lot of patience, guys, sometimes you can get in at a price what's not sustainable. I believe right now where we have HECTO sitting, it's at that opportunity level where exchanges, major exchanges don't have it yet, mainly because they are still developing. I feel like this is when, I ain't going to say back the truck up unless you've done the research like we've done and you understand what you see. But I'm going to say deploy a little bit of cash, not financial advice. Again, don't just take that and run with it. But it's only hard to get if you're not willing to do the work to get it. So I told you the places you can go get it. But that's just so you guys can have the same opportunities that we have. Of course, these are the things we examine weekly, daily, hourly. I can't tell you how much time goes into a lot of this, guys. And now with our Patreon page to process, you get to see a little bit of that process. Actually, you get to see a whole lot of it because you get to draw that curtain back and see how he and I challenge each other and how at the end we can come out to a conclusion on if this is an asset that's worth watching or if this is an asset you really need to get a closer look at so that you can see, I got a little bit too much money in this product or this project, and maybe I should scale back a little bit. That's what we're here for, guys, to get you to think. It's all about thinking. And to the next one, tell me what you think of HECTO. What I'm mainly interested in, how many of you guys hold HECTO? And those of you that don't, is this something that you've been trying to get, or the reason that you don't hold is because you don't know where to get to it? So let me know down below in the comments. The next one, this your boy, I'm out. My heart rages around like an ocean.